What did you get at Walmart today? That you
More slime.
Like open it up and like mix it, and you can decorate it and all this stuff. So, and then unbox your minifig. So I don't know if it's, we'll see. We'll see. So
that would be
here's
weird.
a QR code if you want. It says
Cute art code.
Scan for inspiration if you want to scan that. Okay. You can also get these off of Amazon. Oh, ouch. It says start here. Okay, we watched the video and it basically was just telling you like how to do the steps. Step 1, reveal slime. Step 2,
That's on the side.
prep slime. Step 3, you mix in. 4, decorate. And 5, reveal your minifig. So step 1 is, where's the bag that has number 1 on it? And here's your little thing.
It's cute.
Yep.
And the special one, this top is like golden. So if you like see something gold, and that means you got it right.
And this has a thing on here, so when you're done with your slime, you put it in here.
It's cute.
And then you can store it, and hopefully it'll stay fresher
And on
longer.
Oh yeah, that's sticky.
This is the cloud slime, so there's a bunch of different kinds. Yeah, it's definitely, it's kind of like, it's almost like it's got sand in it. It doesn't feel like sand, but it looks like little things of sand. Here's your spoon, your scooper.
Cute. I'm just gonna say everything is cute. Sparkly.
Prep your slime. Okay, we did that. Here's the mix-ins.
Watermelon.
The little watermelon things.
There's a few more in there. Don't want to waste any.
Decorate.
Decorate. Oh boy.
4. It says 4, decorate. Just little sprinkles and little, almost look like gummies.
Yeah.
A little watermelon and
Wait, they're squishy.
a flower.
They're squishy.
And what's this one? What is that?
That guy. The guy that we got.
So now you just mix all of that in there together.
It's
Why are they black?
Because it's watermelon.
It looks like watermelon seeds.
Mm-hmm.
How cute is that? I didn't even put that together until I saw it in there. Very cute. All right. Last but not least, here's our minifig.
I don't know if this is hard or
minifig.
squishy. That guy is really squishy.
I think he's going to be hard. Yeah, he's hard. Look how cute he is.
Yeah, that's my
Put him right on top. Here,
He gets
put
to
him
climb
right
on a
top.
mountain. A watermelon mountain.
And we can set it on top of
There we go.
the bowl.
That guy. He's got a little twin. Little twin. There we go. Perfect.
Okay, now let's set it on top of the bowl.
Dun,
All
dun,
right.
dun,
There
dun.
it is. How cute is that? I don't know how to say this. Gigi or Gigi. I don't know how to say it. But isn't that...
Or guy.
Yeah, could be either one. Isn't that adorable?
He's got a little twin
Oh my
right here.
goodness.
Yep.
And
little
then
brother.
you just put it inside of the bowl when you're done. And hopefully it'll last so you can get it out again and again and play with it.
A few moments later.
It's been a minute since I've shown the patio garden here. And things are, as you can see, things have been growing. So let me just start there. Okay, so these are seeds that I actually bought, I think at Dollar General. It was like a box that said, you know, it's good for hummingbirds, good for birds, butterflies. So that's what those are. See how tall they've grown. They're kind of just like wildflowers. They probably would have been better out in the grass, but probably would have been eaten by deer or rabbits or both. So that's where they got planted right there. And I have seen butterflies on them, so, you know, it's working. Here's our tomato plant. We've gotten, I think, 4 tomatoes off of it so far. As you can see, it's growing pretty good. Just waiting on some more tomatoes to come in from it. There's some marigolds that we planted. Those were part of the ones that I had bought from the nursery and brought them back to life. There's the lavender. There's our little bee bath, kind of like a water fountain for them. Here's some corn that I planted. Can't remember the name of it, but it's like different colored corn. I'll have to get the package out to show you. But hopefully that will, I don't know what's gonna happen with it, but we'll see. These right here are some zinnias that we had planted inside and brought back out. Didn't know if they were gonna make it or not, but it looks like they are. And here, I'm not sure what all this is. This was here from last year, but it's growing up again. This is one of the flowers, I think it's a sunflower that we planted inside. And I think there's another one down there that's kind of a late bloomer, but we'll see what happens with that. And then along this way we've got, I think it has 3 plants in it altogether. It has this one in the middle, and then it has two of these. I believe these are, I always get them mixed up. Petunias maybe? And then this is the lantana one. It does really good, but whenever it rains, like these petals are so delicate. Whenever it rains, everything just falls off of it pretty much. But we have some more blooms coming up on it, so I'm not like giving up on it, but it's definitely doing well. Like it was really pretty a couple weeks ago, but then it got windy and rained and all the blooms pretty much just fell off of it. And here's some more petunias. We have some things going in here that was all from last year. There's some more that we have down here. Those are some blooms for birds and butterflies and bees and things. And in here, I'm excited about these. These are watermelon seeds that I planted a couple weeks ago. And in here, I have, I believe this is a gourd of some sort. I planted one section of gourds here, one of gourds here, and then one for pumpkin over there. So I'm not sure what's gonna come out of this. I know pumpkins are gourds kind of, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. But it's come a long way, and I'm really surprised that I have not had any like chipmunks digging in here yet. Sometimes I'll come out here and I'll find holes in these big pots, and you can tell something's been digging in it, but so far, so good. Here's the seeds. This is the gourd small fancy mix. And here's the corn one that I can't remember. Ornamental corn. And, oh, those are the pumpkins that I planted. Jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. And I think these are the zinnias that we planted inside. Let's see. Oh, the sunflowers that we did inside. Okay, so it has now been, it's almost a month since I made that last video about the garden. So I thought, I haven't been able to post it yet. Let me go ahead and do the update before I post it, because a lot has changed in the garden. So what do you want to show them first? We have
that over there. So we also got rid of a few things in our house. They took this table and chairs, the umbrella, so it might look a little different.
The grill was kind of broken, old, whatever. The table and chairs were really broken. The umbrella was like ripped and dirty. We just needed to get it out, so we can get fresh stuff in. So now there's a huge open space over there. So now we have this huge open space over here. So I moved, that's corn, and the watermelon, and the squash / pumpkin is over there. And a lot of our stuff is still over here. It's doing good. Our zinnias are growing. One is about to bloom. Okay, so this one's about to bloom. I'm trying to zoom in on it. There it goes. Oh, there it goes. Yep. So it's about to bloom. And then we've got, still going strong over here. We've got some more tomatoes. There's 3 so far. Yep, there we go. Wildflowers, they're doing okay. Some of them are kind of, they're literally wild. Like, I don't know really what they're doing, but okay. And this is the squash or / pumpkin. I don't really know what's all going on, but it's growing quite large. So, yep, just wanted to share that little update. A lot sometimes can change especially in a garden, in a month. So we'll have some more different type videos coming up soon. We have done some Halloween shopping already. It is July, what's today? July 8th.
Sorry.
July 18th. And we've already done some shopping for Halloween things, seen some Halloween things in the stores. So we'll be doing some videos about that
Hey guys,
as well.
real quick. By the way, over here by the fence, I see like a big sunflower. I'll show you.
Oh yeah, that's our neighbors. It's part of their garden.
Flower. Pretty big. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, all the way down. Let me see. It's like right up to here. Look how tall that is.
Okay, so that was our little tour of our garden. We hope you have liked these updates. Are going to wrap up this video that we started, I don't even know when, probably a month ago at this point. But yeah, so be on the lookout for more fun videos, like Halloween videos. Oh, we also got in the mail today, what did we get? The big box.
We got our medals, but we're not going to open the box yet. So
We got our Run Disney Virtual Series medals. And since we did the challenge, which is doing all 3 5Ks, the box is huge. It's like a huge VHS cassette looking thing, but it's massive. And I have like seen brief pictures of people posting about it online, but I don't really know specifics of what is all in there besides the medals. So we're not going to open it. We've done 1 race so far. Or 1 5K, it's not really a race. We've done 1 so far this summer. We still have to do 2 more. And then once we do those 2, we will open it and we will make a video and show you what's all in it, because it looks really cool. So
yeah.
Be on the lookout for that, because that's going to be fun. So, okay, anyways, we will see y'all next time, and we hope you have a magical pixie dusted day.
Bye.
Bye.